Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 8GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM, a memory upgrade specifically designed for NAS devices and other compatible systems. If you're looking to boost the performance and reliability of your Synology NAS, this might be just what you need. NEMIX RAM isn't a household name like some of the bigger memory manufacturers, but they've carved out a niche for themselves by focusing on enterprise-grade memory solutions. They specialize in RAM for servers, workstations, and importantly for us, NAS devices. This particular module is an 8GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM, running at 2666 MHz with a PC4-21300 rating. It operates at a standard 1.2V and has a CL19 latency. The ECC, or error correcting code, is the key feature here. ECC memory is designed to detect and correct single-bit errors, which can be crucial for maintaining data integrity in a NAS environment where you're storing important files. The module is compatible with a range of Synology DiskStation and RackStation models, including the DS3622XS Plus, DS2422 Plus, DS1522 Plus, DS1823XS Plus, DS923 Plus, DS723 Plus, RS822RP Plus, and RS822 Plus. It's also a direct replacement for the Synology D4ES02-8G module. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, suggesting it can be done in minutes. Of course, always refer to your NAS device's manual for specific instructions. The benefit of upgrading to this NEMIX RAM module is improved overall system performance. More RAM allows your NAS to handle more simultaneous tasks, run applications more smoothly, and improve responsiveness. The ECC functionality adds an extra layer of protection against data corruption, which is especially important for critical data storage. NEMIX RAM backs their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks to their confidence in the quality of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you run into any issues during installation or operation. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality memory upgrade for your Synology NAS, the NEMIX RAM 8GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.